What am I hearing here? Is it spell languages?
Yes!
Okay. What is your biggest wish? Okay.
Wings to fly.
And how do you fly?
With wings.
The best part of dreams and wishes is that they can come true. Did you know that? Now I have something to show you. Yes. Here I have a secret I want to share with all of you. This is a secret to make your wishes and your dreams come true. Very good. What is the real gift? What do you see here? How can dreams come true? This is the secret I want to tell you. You can make your dreams come true.